All right, in this episode, we want to talk about how to make $700 from $124. So first of all, look for $124, fund your trading account, then take trades. All right, that's just a joke. All right, on this one, I made a lot of money from it, considering that the equity that I had on my account was $124, and I proceeded to make about $700 from it. This is because I took advantage of the fact that Crash 500 was on a down roll. It was just spiking down. I love catching spikes. I love trading Crash 500. At times, well, my trades don't go my way, but at times they do. So on that one, as you can see, I'm marking a support that turns into a resistance. I always love taking these trades where price retraces to a resistance zone, and then I just wait for rejection patterns, then place my trades and make some money. So you need to look for rejection patterns, and you need to look for a zone like that one that I'm marking there that will help you in taking your trades. So you mark your zone, you mark your resistance zone. It can be a support that turns into a resistance, or a resistance that turns into a support if you are buying. So after you mark that zone, that resistance zone, for my part, you then wait for price to break away from that zone. And then when price comes back to retest that zone, that's where you take your interest, then take the broker's money. As you can see, we took the broker's money, but on this one, I think I had many positions versus my equity. My free margin is about $75, and my margin is around 48, meaning I put more lot sizes than I was supposed to. But well, this was me risking $100. I wasn't risking a whole lot of money, but if it's all you have, you don't have to risk all of it, because at times these trades can go against you and you can cry foul, you can have a headache, you can actually be stressed, and you can spend the whole day sulking. But if the trades go in your favor, you'll be smiling all the way to withdrawal, like I did here. So I enjoyed taking this trade. I enjoyed making money from it, and I enjoyed seeing that all those lot sizes turn into cash. So you also can do this if you're not greedy. Like I've told you, you have to have a setup that you're so used to. For me, it's rejection patterns from a zone. I wait for a price to get away from a zone, and price, when it gravitates back to that zone, I time my entries like around that area that I'm marking for you there. That was just my zone where I knew that this was a resistance zone where price will continue tumbling from. Because on this one, the easier part was I was taking advantage of the downtrend. Price was already downtrending, as you can see from that trend line, and also from the direction of the market. The price structure, the market structure was on a down roll, it was on a downfall. So you do not take trades against the trend, you take